Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you start pro error, which is showing error in support input or there is no support input, analysis will not. So generally this kind of error will be observed while analysis process is done. Initially I will show you that error. After that I will solve that respected error in this tutorial. Go to click on start pro software here. So this is my model of G+1 building, residential as well as commercial purpose. So I was done this respected video in my previous section. Please follow that respected video. I will show you this respected model in rendering view. Click on rendering view option here. So this is my rendering view for this respected building. So after that click on cancel button here. So go to analysis and print option. So click on add button, close option, go to analyze option, click on run analysis, save it. So here my model is checking for the 0 errors. So it is showing 2 errors, 0 warnings here. So go to view output file here. So click on done option here. So select this respected errors option. So select this respected support error. So it is showing error in support input or there is no support input, analysis will not. But generally I was already applied this respected fixed supports at the base for this respected G+1 building, but it is showing there is no supports for this model. So to solve this respected error, we need to edit the stat input command file. So cancel this respected option. So here we need to edit the stat input command file. So go to edit option here, select edit input command file here. So it will open the stat input command file like this for this respected G+1 building. So here we need to scroll down to last page here. So here my supports are there. So the supports were assigned after the perform analysis here. So we need to assign this respected supports after defining the materials properties. So for that reason only it was observed error in support. So to solve this respected error, we need to copy these supports to the after defined end material option. So select this respected support input up to fixed one, cut option, Ctrl X, so backspace it. So we need to delete this respected perform analysis options also. So just I am deleting this perform analysis. So go to this respected define end material option. So here we have end define material. So select this respected option, enter it. So paste here, Ctrl V option. So after that we need to save the stat editor file, Ctrl S. So cancel this respected option. So it will showing the dialog box like this. So here we need to add analysis and print command, close option here. So after that go to analyze option here, run analysis, save it. So here again we need to check for the 0 errors here. So here my model is checking for the 0 errors. Now it was observed with 0 errors. So there is no support input error here. Go to post processing mode option, click on done option, apply your load cases, click on OK. So this is the deflection diagram and this is the bending moment diagram. So this is the shear force diagram, plate load, select absolute pressure here, click on apply, click on OK. So this is the process how to solve error in supports. There is no support input, analysis will not. Thank you.